Welcome to episode 11. Hi, I'm Blades, and yes, I'm back on Linux. Yay! Oh, it's so good to be back. You really don't know. Game programming. Yeah, we completed it, didn't we? Well, we made a game. YouTube. No, YouTube game. Okay. Right, we're here on Linux. I've got no game thingy, so let's see. I've tested this, so it does. I do know what happens. Don't worry. Let's get to a clone. Here we go. Clone YouTube game. If you remember, I've been using Git, and I've been saving it out onto my server. Oh, and there it is. There you go. That was it. Let's have a look at what I've just downloaded, shall we? Off my server. So, what did we call it? YouTube game. There we go. Let's do this. YouTube underscore game. There we are. And we get Amber SL, Depths, and Game. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Let's have a look in game, see what we've got. Yeah, that's what we've got. So we need to alter that. I'll leave myself there for a second whilst I alter it. Have I got? Yeah, Visual Studio Code. Oh God, I've forgotten where everything is now. Let me grab me coffee. Oh dear. Fun times, fun times. We've got a game. File. Open folder. YouTube games, we just made it. Let's see, it's fresh off the server. And that's what we have, the master branch, it will be, yeah. Git ignore. Yeah. That reminds me, it'll be wrong. Great. exe, yeah. Okay, let's have a look in here. I was using Origin YouTube for a branch. So let's just click on that and have a quick look, see what we've got. Oh, we've got source code and resources. Oh, good, the object files are there. That's good news. Must have put them in there when I was testing. They weren't there before. Right, it's pretty raw. Yeah. So let's sort that out. As you can tell, it's just Amber SL and game. That's not bad then. So that's what we've got so far. Not enough really to start on here. Don't know what that's doing open, but hey ho. Okay, must be a default. A new default it comes to. So what do we need? What we're going to need is to come back to YouTube. I'll need you definitely. So we'll copy you over. Oh, I didn't just do that, never mind. Fraser, YouTube game, and it just goes in here, doesn't it? Yeah, it's gone in. It's just not being displayed because I haven't got the controls set for it. I'll switch the controls over. Show hidden files. There you go. There it is now. VS Code. Directory, git ignore. Yeah. That's looking good. What don't we have in game? We don't have whatever we had in here, which is a .pro and a build sh. Well, I can fix build sh. Copy it straight, please. There we go. lovely. We've got a build sh. Don't need that. Don't need that yet. That was me testing around and messing about, wasn't it? Why is test lib amber SL there? Oh, that was me testing it out to see whether it would work outside of the exec folder. Yes, I remember now. Okay, so I don't need that. Source resource, yeah, that's okay. Alright, we've got our basics. Let's just check through then what we've now got. So, as you can see, we've now got green bits because I've added stuff. We've got 4 changes already. So that says test, not game. So I'll change that. There we go. That's that done. So build sh is okay. Oh, yeah, that's a good point, isn't it? Got to check the properties. If I don't, it won't work. Properties, wrong files, YouTube game. Permissions is executable. Okay. I've had these problems before when I've been messing around like this, so I'm just double checking myself, making sure everything's okay. Is executable. Okay. Yeah, that's looking right. Now you're probably thinking, but you don't have a .pro file. That must be a big problem, Blades, surely. Nah, look at Qt here. Okay. Qmake minus project, options, files. In project mode, Qmake will generate a project file, a .pro file. Additionally, you may supply the following options. I could do a -r on it, but it does that anyway, I thought. Ho-hum, don't care. Nah, depends on sources. Okay, forms, blah, blah, blah. Well, I'll just do that, Qmake minus project. All I need is that bit, isn't it, really? Pop up here. Whoops. Where are we? Oh, this is looking better. We've got build, we've got game, we've got resource, we've got source. So if I pop in... doesn't work on there. It does now. If I do that, and just check again. Yep, we've got game.pro. So, that was easy. Thank you, Qt. Now I've got game.pro. Let's pop that open. And yeah, there it is. All our files, headers, sources. It's not connected properly and the template is wrong. I'll do the same as before, .app. I do app on Linux just to remind me that it is an application and that it can run alone by itself. It doesn't need any support from anywhere else, which it doesn't. Well, sort of. All this lot's just rubbish gobbledygook. Alright. If I remember rightly, we can open test here. Test.pro. Just open it with K, it doesn't matter what we open it with. Alright. Here we go. Yeah, I'll have them 3 lines there. Top 3 lines, copy. And that goes into there. Paste, Qt minus GUI, yeah, C++ console app, get rid of the app bundle. I want to definitely get rid of the app bundle. Excellent. Everything else is the same. And we can pop all this lot in, can't we? Yeah, just pop the block in. That covers libs and includes. Everything that we need for libs and includes. All in one nice, massive bundle there. Make sure you have space at the end. There we go. It's lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right, we've got a game.pro. I wonder if it works. Well, do we have an Amber Skies? I've got a .lib. Delete that. VS Code. JSON. Test. So, as we know, no matter where I put this code and put that game.pro, I mean, you can create the game.pro on any system just using Qt or QMake with that simple QMake and then minus whatever flag, because I don't remember these things. I never do. It's that kind. I am pretty blank at the best of times. So let's pop that in. There you go. Task JSON copied over. Terminal. Run build task. Let's have a look. See what we got. Wow! Look at all this lot here. Yeah, it's having fun. Look at all this coming up here. Wow! Yay! Go for it! Go for it! Go for it! There we go. Amber lib amber sl.a, and that's what we wanted. There it is. So that's the file we're after, or what it makes, shall we say. So I'll clear that off. Oh yeah, sorry I clicked on it. My bad. Right, I'll put this back to game. But remember, I've just copied everything over, so it's not going to work. Build true shell blah. Okay, done that one. So that's task. Oh, just put something stupid in somewhere. Yeah. Right, that's saved. Launch JSON. Yep, yeah, launch. No. It's now a game. Wherever there's a test, it's a game. I'm going through keep. That's a good idea. I'm going to keep the .app. Control V. Yeah, we'll get game. Game. GDB. Enable pretty pretties. I don't know why I do that. Really? Yeah. No more tests in there? No? Okay. That's launch JSON.done. Okay. And properties. Includes are okay, because it's Amber SL. Defines are good. And compiler's good. You're good. Yeah. Terminal. Run build task. Let's see. Come on. CD game exe. No such file or directory exists. Did I check? No, I didn't, because it's right. So under game, new folder. EXEC. There we go. Oh, it's doing something. It's doing something. Terminal will be reused by tasks, and we've got Matplotlib player, move, snake graphics. Looking good. Got a load of stuff, dice. Doodle-doo. I want to pull that dice out of here and pop it into Amber SL. So I'll do that in a minute or two. Depending on the length of the video, of course. I mean, we're only up to 15 minutes now. And yeah, what was that all about? Don't know. Okay. Get rid of that. Oh, right. Get rid of that. And yeah, 7 alterations. It's not bad, really. 3 files added. An exec added. None of this stuff really gets noticed. Build sh game.pro. In Amber SL, I have altered, well, build sh properties. Just making sure it's executable. I've rebuilt it, so all that's new. So rebuild Amber SL, making sure that build sh is executable. Yes, done, complete. Build game, making sure build sh is executable and the game.pro is theoretically what it should be. And altering task launch, adding task launch and properties, and then altering task launch and properties where needed. All done. Oh, right. So what happens? That happens. But Blades, this has never seen Linux before. Yes, I know. But how come it's working? Because it's not programmed for anything specific. Yes, OpenGL is not platform specific, and here is the proof. This is an exact copy of the same game that I've just programmed, and it runs happily on Windows. Sorry, on Linux and Windows. And if you do the corrections on, you know, pop it into Mac OS for a Mac, it'll work on that. If you pop it using something or other into Android, it'll work on that. Yeah, it'll work on anything. Not a problem type. And you can even build this using tool sets for Qt, which is even nicer. Because Qt offers, I'm never going to get that one. Let's just run out. Stop messing around. Qt offers a building environment for, well, mostly everything, which is why I was confident that this would work. Press return, comes out, says it's all the resources are excellent. Press continue, done. And we've got a debug adapter that's doing something stupid, and I don't know why it keeps doing that. Let's have a look. Okay. Get rid of that. So inferior 1 process exited normally. No, that's correct. So I don't know what the heck this thing's on about. It's absolutely perfectly correct, not a problem. And that's my waste bin done. There we go. So you now have a game, or a system, should I say, in which you can program on Linux or Windows or Mac OS, and I'm 99.999% certain that this does work on Mac OS, don't you worry. I did have that in mind when I designed the way I program, and that's just the way I program. I do not do Windows specific, I don't do Linux specific. Which means I've now got a problem, because what I was thinking, oh yeah, I did that dice thingy, didn't I? Whilst I was here. Let's grab it. Let's grab it. Let's just grab a hold of a copy of it anyway. Just trying to think how to do this. It's in source game rules. I want to copy that directly, and I want to pop it in. Get rid. Don't need this anymore. Get rid. I'll pop into test for now, because it'll need testing before I'll put it in. So I'll put it in our SRC. There's nothing in there. That's why I keep this thing up here, by the way. Paste clipboard contents. That'll do. Oh. God, why does this thing task me? I'll get it right in a second, don't you worry. Game. And it was source. And all I run is game rules, isn't it? Yes, just want game rules. Cut, copy. And then you go to test. Source. Paste. One folder, thank you. Alright, so taking a copy of that because I want to look at it. What are we up to now? 22 minutes? Okay. So there we go, that's all done. That's how quick it was, about 15 minutes, 20 minutes to check everything, test it all and get it running. Oh well, and steal a little bit of dice for me, Amber SL. I'm just gonna put it into Amber SL itself. Amber SL is on master at the moment, so I'm going to leave that for now. I'll do it as a separate video if I do it. But at least that's now on the books. So I've now got my static library, Amber SL add dice. And as you can see, I've already got a note beneath this saying Amber server. What's Amber server, Blades? Well, it's what it says. I'm thinking of writing a server for this and adding it into Amber SL. In other words, put like something. This is only a guess at this stage. Under source, adding a network option and client option and server option on these. So client, server, network. Not sure, probably just network. I think we'll build the client from the library rather than something else. Yeah, I think it's just going to be network we add. Just thinking about it offhand. Just throwing thoughts in the air. So if anybody's got any ideas on how I'm supposed to do this, because I've never actually written a full server before, which should be interesting. It'll show you how I go about it and research, I suppose. Yeah. As for that, I think we're done. So, close folder. File. Open folder, and I want to go back to the YouTube one for the next video, don't I? Yep. Okay. And what I'll be looking at is not Amber SL itself, but test source. This dice stuff. I want to expand upon it. I want to test it. to make sure it works, and then if it does work the way I suspect it does work, then I certainly will be adding it to Amber SL for my randomization. And I'm going to leave it as game rules. No, I'm not. I'm going to put that into maths, aren't I? Yeah, I'll put it into maths namespace, because maths doesn't use a secondary one. It's the only part of Amber SL that doesn't use a secondary part. And it is a mathematical thing, I suppose. Random number generators, sort of ish. It comes under maths in my mind. So there we go. Next video, probably add dice. There you go. That's game finished, sorted and done. Hope you enjoyed this series. Hope you realise now how powerful not programming for a specific platform is, and the capabilities of what can be done if you program properly in the proper language. And whilst I've got chance, I am actually going to go through this with Qt and just make sure I did do it all right. But I'll do that off screen. Just goes to show you the power of what you can do and how fast you can transport your base code from one system to another in 15 minutes. Or less, if you're faster than me. So I will catch you later. Of course, you've got to take care and, well, you know, just have fun.